The gas cap on your new JL Wrangler is a bit obnoxious and lacks a personal touch. So today, to fix that, we're looking at this Mopar Black Fuel Filler Door fitting your 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. This Mopar Fuel Filler Door attaches with no hardware and gives your Jeep a new, clean look. It features a durable aluminum and plastic construction with many features inside and out of the cap. It's going to give you more security and add a custom touch to your new JL. Let's get them installed on our new 2018 JL Wrangler. The first step of this install is to go inside the Jeep. We've got to get this taillight removed, so let's get started. To gain access to the bolt that holds in the taillight, you have to remove the access panel right here. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver and simply pry up to pop it out. There's a T30 Torx bolt right here. It's actually a plastic screw. Grab a ratchet and a T30 bit and simply unscrew it. And then you can pull it out like so. To remove the taillight, simply pull it out. And then we're going to unclip the wiring harness right behind here. Go ahead and push on the black clip right here and then pull the harness out. In order to remove the factory fuel filler, you have to first pull off the gas cap, twist it to the left, pull it out and let it hang. There's going to be two clasps inside here. There's one on the bottom here and then one kind of at the top left. Going to go inside and pull those out. It's hard to see, but they are there. You'll feel them with your finger. Then pull it straight out towards you. You have to pull out this safety tether for the gas cap. You push from the back and pull it out. Set that aside, you'll use it for the new cap. Go ahead and grab your new fuel door and open up the cap. Reattach the safety tether into the hole here. Now you're ready to put it onto the Jeep. There's a little guidance hole right up here. That's where the pin's going to slide into when you put it back on. It's going to be a little bit tight so it can go around the filler neck, but it'll push right on and just make sure it's lined up and then click the tabs in. You'll hear them, they're pretty loud. Make sure it's completely seated all the way around. Tighten up your gas cap, close it up, and your install is complete. That finishes up the install of our new Mopar Black Fuel Door. It looks really great on our JL. I think these should have came factory. Plus on the inside, there's a little Willys Jeep, which looks really cool, and it's going to keep our gas cap nice and secure when we're out on the trail. Now you can find this fuel door as well as many other great parts for your new JL right here at cjponyparts.com.